Matapos ang emosyonal na si Charlie, sumunod namang nagbahagi ng misconception sa kanila ang mga boys.
Yung mga nasasanay ako narinig, suplado, mayabang, mataas yung tingin sa sarili, yung mga ganung bagay, I really don't mind because I guess somehow it's the truth eh. I really have to live for myself because I grew up, yung parents ko were abroad. I'm the eldest out of 4 siblings. So I had no one to run to but myself. And I guess yung naging defense mechanism ko was to really try to shield myself from everything or everyone that could potentially hurt me. Yun, tumaas yung walls ko. Kahit ano man yung maling impression sa akin, I choose to be grateful.
2 misconceptions about me. Mayabang din. Sa totoo lang, super mahiyain ko lang rin talaga. To the point na umiiwas na rin ako sa tao. Second, mukha lang akong mayaman. Pero hindi alam ng tao na talagang ginrind ko na talaga yung life ko. Pinagtrabahuan ko lahat hanggang ngayon na may sarili na akong business.
Siguro sa outside world, I might come off as snob. Pero so scared to show my emotions to other people outside. But then I guess it all roots from siguro lack of confidence. I would always think so lowly of myself.
Misconception sa akin, madalas sinasabi plastic ako. Kasi medyo distant ako. Karoon ako ng trauma dito sa showbiz. Pag mag-open ako, gagamit against me.
Marami nag-iisip na mayaman ako, and I'm stable with who I am. I'm actually quite the opposite. I mean, I have to speak English. I mean, taga-UK ako eh, pero hindi naman ako mayaman. We have a happy family. Up until ngayon, when my dad passed, I had to work. It wasn't easy for me. My dad was the provider. I worked multiple jobs. You guys know that. I was a waiter, I was a painter, buildings, I was a delivery guy, I did caregiving. I did 8 p.m. to 8 a.m. while studying. Gusto ko lang talaga tulungan yung family ko. That's why I'm doing this.
Maya-maya pa, ang bagong dating na si Emilio ang nagbahagi sa mga bagong kakilala.
Siguro isang bagay na siguro misconception sa akin. Medyo malakas yung personality ko. Pagtingin lang, parang, ang yabang nito ah. Sinasabi din nila na parang, hindi. Yan si Daez, bigay lang lahat sa kanya. Madali lang buhay para sa kanya. Pero, hindi. Never naman naging madali yung buhay para sa akin eh.
Siyempre, bago lang po ako dito. Hindi ko po alam kung ano po yung nasa isip po nila. Pero talagang binibitaw ko na lang po yung kung ano po yung nasa isip ko.
Sa totoo lang, I'm really just trying to figure it out now. I'm just trying to be the best version of myself every day. Pero di ko naman parang intention na yabangan yung iba or parang I don't mean to step on anybody's toes.
Isang paraan din po ito na mas kilala rin po namin ang isa't isa. Masasabi ko po na mas kilala ko na po sila.
Gusto kong alam ng tao na talagang nagsisikap talaga ako dito sa trabaho. Hindi ko pinili yung madali. Kasi baka sabihin naman tao, hindi, pinili lang ni Emilio yung madali kasi yung kuya niya andun na sa industriya. Kaya sobrang saya ko na nandito ako ngayon kasi marami akong matutunan sa inyo.
Katulad ni Emilio, madalas din daw nasasabihan na mayabang ang sumunod sa kanya na si Michael.
I think some of you have known of me through misconceptions about me and most of it is usually mayabang ako, red flag ako, or playboy. And honestly, it's one of the comments that offend me the most because I feel like it's not fair. But anyways, I'm not perfect. Alam ko marami akong mistakes. And siguro, ganun talaga eh. I really learned, actually especially entering PBB, that you can't please everybody. I just hope they take the time to get to know me better. And I think that relates to the next question of what I want people to know is nahihirapan din ako. I mean, when I moved to the Philippines, it was a big sacrifice for me because I'm not really with my parents anymore. I mean, it was choosing independent life, but I did this for my dream, to pursue this career and to help my family then. I just hope the people know online and with you guys that I'm also really trying. Yeah, yun lang. Mahirap, pero just like all of us, I'm also trying. Ayan. Thank you guys.